Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Focus unlocked, proper weapon equipped, and energy consumables ready. Once done, set a simple hotkey for focus activation so you don't fumble. Make sure to select a safe staging area close to your target zone and check cooldown timers on other skills. You should also preview enemy density on the minimap. This informs whether you commit alone or wait for backup. Now move into position and keep energy above half before the first cast. You activate focus precisely when you're within effective range and not being interrupted. Once cast, immediately chain your highest priority damage or control spells. Focus amplifies follow-ups, so timing matters. Make sure to reposition to maintain line of sight. If you lose range, pause and reset. You should also monitor energy and trigger a potion before it drops too low, then rotate defensive cooldowns as needed. Continue this loop until the target is neutralized, or you must disengage. You finish by either securing the kill with a decisive burst, while focus is active, or backing off immediately if the fight turns bad. Once done, reset positioning, reapply buffs, and top off energy so you're ready for the next engagement. If focus gets interrupted or fails to land, try stun breaks or mobility tools to regain control and reinitiate. This is often the only way to salvage the situation. Always reassess gear durability and potion counts before re-engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.